Hi, good morning, dear students. So, in the previous class, we learned about the multiplication of monomial and monomial, also monomial and monomial. Also, if length and breadth is given, then how to find out the area of the particular rectangle. And similarly, if length, breadth, and height is given, then how to find out the volume of the cuboid. Okay, that we learned in the previous class. So, in the first exercise, that is in the second exercise, we left one part, that is obtain the product of. So some terms are given, we have to find out the product. So we will solve that first, that is exercise 2. So how to multiply and how to find the products that we know. So in that one main is obtain the product of. Obtain the product. And the first question in that is xy into, so first one xy into, second term is yz, and the third term is zx. Now we have to multiply, that means we have to find the product of these three terms. So first thing, we will write the three terms with the multiplication sign. So that is xy into yz, and the third term is zx. So you know how to multiply. Just comment me what is the answer of this problem. So what is the product of this? Very simple one. Just comment me first. So three terms are given. One is xy, and one is yz, and one is zx. Now to find the product, we have to use the multiplication sign. That is xy into yz into zx. Now based on that, we have to find out the product. That is by multiplying the like terms and along with that the other terms. First one, x is present here. Here also x is present. So x into x, it becomes x square. Y and y, it becomes y square. Z and z, it becomes z square. So here we no need to worry about the addition or subtraction. If here x, y, both are different variables, then in addition or subtraction we can't add or subtract. But in this product, finding the products, or in division, we can multiply. Okay, so the answer for this question is x square into y square into z square. That is product of these three terms. Just verify your answer. And the second one is, second problem. The terms are a minus a square, a. Second term is minus a square, and the third term is a cube. Third term is a cube. So comment with the answer first. So first step, what we have to do is we have to multiply these three terms. That means we have to write these three terms along with the multiplication sign. So here in the second term, negative sign is present. Therefore, we will put that in bracket. So it becomes a into minus a square into a cube. Okay, a into minus a square into a cube. Now you know how to multiply the sign and how to multiply the terms. So based on this, you have to solve. Okay. So plus into minus, here no sign is present, means that is positive only. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. A square, a cube. So that means we can easily add the two terms. We can multiply a into a square into a cube. It becomes a. Then here nothing present is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Therefore, the product of a minus a square, a cube becomes minus a raised to 6. Because here reason is a raised to m into a raised to n, that is equals to a raised to m plus n. Okay. A raised to m into a raised to n, that is equals to a raised to m plus n. So here a is considered as base term. and m and n are exponent terms. So when base terms are same and when the two terms, that means in the two terms base terms are same and we have to multiply the two terms, then we have to write only we have to add the exponent value. So that is here a raised to m into a raised to m. Base is a in both the cases, but exponent is different. It may be same or it may be different. So it doesn't matter. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to write the base term as it is and we have to add the exponent value. Just verify this answer with your answer. So you have to comment the answer fast. Okay. So Jayappa gave answer as minus a raised to 6. Okay, that is correct answer. Next one is next one is 2 into 4y, then 8y square, and the fourth term is 16y cube. 2, 4y, 8y square, 16y cube. So in this we have totally 4 terms. What we have to do? We have to do the same thing. We have to write all the terms along with the multiplication sign. Try to solve this problem first. 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. First, so 2, 4y, 8y square, 16y cube as it is along with the multiplication. Now first what we will do, we will multiply all the constant terms. 2 4s are 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8. The next term is 8. The next term is 16. Then 8 8s are how much? 64 into 6. Here 2 4s are 8. 8 8s are 64 into 60. Next multiplication. 6 4. How much? Comment with answer fast. Then 6 is the 36. 36 plus 2, 38. Plus 4. Then 6. It becomes 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 6 3 9 plus 1 10. So it becomes 1094. Then we have to multiply the variable. So your variable term is not present. So your variable is y square, y cube. So your base term is same. That is base term is y here. Then what we have to do? We have to add the exponent value. So here we have to say 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. That means it becomes 1024 into y raised to 6. Okay, first we have to multiply all the constant term, and if negative sign is present, then we have to multiply the sign first. After that we have to multiply the constant term. After that we have to multiply the variable. Just verify with your answer and comment your answer fast. 1024 y raised to 6. Yes, Ruksan, Manoj, give this answer. Problem. The fourth problem is A, 2B, 3C and 6AB. 6AB. A, 2B, 3C, 6ABC. These are the 4 terms. Now we have to multiply this fast. So just consider the term along with the multiplication sign. Okay, it becomes a into 2b into 3c into 6ab. A into 2b into 3c into 6ab. First, what we will do? We'll multiply the sign. So all the signs are positive. That means in the product also it will give positive. Then second step, we have to multiply the constant. 2 3s are 6 because here 1 is present. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 6 are 36. So first we multiplied the sign, next we multiplied the constant term. Now we will multiply the variables. Okay. So a here 1 is present. A. So that means here a into a. So 1 a is present. A power is 1 1. So it becomes base same. Exponent we have add 1 plus 1 it becomes 2. So that's why we will add a is equal to 2. The next we will go for b. B here only it becomes b square. Then third term c. Therefore answer becomes 36 a square b square c. Just verify this with your answer. A square b square c square. The next one. M into minus mn into mn. M into minus mn into mn. The first step, that is we have to write the terms with multiplication sign. First one is m. M into minus mn into mn. Next step. So first we will multiply the sign. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Next we will multiply the constant. Here constant is not present, that means it is 1. The next thing is we have to multiply the variables. M. 3m is are present, that becomes m cube. Then n square. Only one p is present, that becomes p. So therefore answer is minus m cube n square into p. So this is our solution. Okay, just look at the answer. Now we'll go for the next exercise, that is exercise 3. So exercise 3. Carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following parts. That means here also we have to find the product. First we find the product. Find the product. In that first one is 4p, q plus 4p, q plus r. That means here in the previous one they give the multiplication of monomial into monomial. Or in if 3 terms are given, 3 terms also monomial. But in this exercise they give one, the one is binomial. That means here multiplication, it becomes multiplication of monomial and binomial. So first step we have to add the terms with multiplication sign. So if 2 terms are present, therefore I will use bracket. Okay, if more than 1 terms are present, so in this expression terms, we say q is 1 term, r is 1 term. If qr is present, then it means it is single term. But here it is two term because they are connected with the help of basic operation, that is plus. Or if it is minus, then also we have to consider that as two terms. In multiplication and division, then we have to consider it as single term. So it becomes 4q into q plus r. Next step, we have to multiply the outside monomial to the first term of the second expression. So first we have to multiply the sign, then we have to multiply the constant term, and then we have to multiply the variable. Plus into plus, plus, then 4 into 1, nothing is present in 1, that means 4 into 1, 4, p, it is q, therefore we will directly multiply because 3, 4p. The next step, we have to multiply the first term to the second. Plus into plus, plus 4 into 1, 4, p into r, p r. P into r, p r. This is your solution. You just look at the solution and comment your solution. Fast. You have to solve the problem along with me and you have to comment with the answer. The next problem. Second one. First term is AB and second expression is A minus B. A minus B. So again same step. AB into A minus B. First, what we will do? We will multiply the first term monomial into first term of the second expression. Plus into plus plus a into a square and b. There is no other b, that's why we will write it as directly b. The next one, plus into minus, minus. A, there is no other a, that's why I will write a. Then b into b, it becomes b. So this is the method of multiplying the monomial and binomial. What we have to do? We have to write the terms with the help of multiplication sign. If two or more terms are present, then we have to put the bracket. Then we have to multiply the monomial to each term of the second expression. Along with the sign, we have to multiply. Okay, first step we have to multiply the sign. Second step we have to multiply the constant term, and the third step is we have to multiply the variables. The next one, a plus b and 7a square, 7a square b. So here two terms are present. So first, in the first are present, that is one is a and one is b, that is a plus b. And in the second expression, it has a single term, that is 7a square b square. Now we have to find the product. Okay, to find the product, we have two methods. One is directly. We will consider a plus b into 7a square b square. Okay, this one method. So in this method, we have to multiply a to this term, and in the second step, we have to multiply plus b to this term. This is the one step. In second step, this is general. That is, multiplication holds good commutative property. That means a into b, that is same as b into a. That means if you consider example 2 into 3 and 3 into 2, both are same because 2 3s are 6, Similarly, 3 to the, that is also 6. So therefore, a plus b and 7a square b square is given. Then we can directly write this as 7a square b square into a plus b. Okay. First term is 7a square b square I consider, and the second term I consider is a plus b, because it is multiplication holds good commutative property. That means a first term into second term, that is same as second term into plus first term. In both the cases, we will get the same answer. Okay. So first we will multiply. First sign we will multiply, plus into plus, plus 7 into 1, 7. Then a square, here a is present, a means a raised to 1, so it becomes a raised to 3. That means a cube. Then b square, there is no b square term, b term is present, therefore it remains b square. And second, we have to multiply this term to the second. Plus into plus, plus 7 into 1, 7, a square, there is no a term, therefore it remains as b, c square, and b square and b, it becomes b cube. Just look at the step, verify with your answer and comment me your answer. If you understood this, just click on the like button. Then the next one, a square minus 9, and the second term is 4. A square minus 9 and the second term is 4a. Same multiplication holds good commutative property, that's why I write 4a into a square minus 9. 4a into a square minus 9. First I will multiply the terms. First I will multiply the sign. Plus into plus, plus, and 4 into constant term, that is 4. A into a square, it becomes a cube. Because exponent value is 1, here 2, both, and base term is a here, so 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. Then next, plus into minus, minus 4 9 36. 8. Therefore, solution of a square minus 9 into 4a, it gives 4a cube minus 36a. Then the third one, the fifth one, that is pq plus qr plus rp, and the second term is just comment me the answer for this problem, that is find the product of pq plus qr plus rp and z. Find the product of pq plus qr plus rp and z. Comment me the answer fast. As Chandrakant gave the answer as 0. Any other answers? Daneshwari gave p square, q square, r square. Any other answers? Now we'll verify this answer. Okay. First, pq plus qr plus rp into z. So here we have to multiply these terms. Okay. So that means first term into 0, then second term is into 0, and third term into 0. Along with the sign we have to cancel. And we know one property, that is when we multiply any term to 0, it becomes 0. Okay. Therefore, this whole answer is 0. So when we multiply anything to 0, it becomes 0. So therefore the product of PQ plus QR plus RP and 0 is 0. The next one. And in the second main, they gave one tabulation. In that first expression, second expression, and product is given. So in page number 98. Okay. So they ask us to find the product. So first one, A, and next term is B plus C plus D plus C plus D. To find out the product, we will multiply A into B plus C plus D. What it becomes? It becomes A into B, AB, plus into plus A into C, AC, plus into plus A into D, A. Okay, so we have to multiply this monomial, that is A, to this trinomial, because if three terms are present, therefore this expression is known as trinomial. So therefore A into B, AB, plus into plus A into C, AC, plus into plus A into D, A. So that means this multiple. And similarly second one, x plus y minus 5 into 5xy. X plus y minus 5 into 5xy. So first we are rearrange this, it becomes 5xy into x plus y minus 5. So same, first we multiply the sign, then we have to multiply the constant term, then we have to multiply the variable. Plus into plus 5 into 1, 5, x into x, y and y. Then we will multiply the second term, plus into plus 5 into 1, 5, x into x only, y into y square. The next one, plus into minus, 5 5s are 25, x y, there is no variable term, so that becomes x into y. Just look at the solution first. You have to comment the answer fast. The next problem I solve, that is p into, and the second term is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. P, and the second term is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So again same step, p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So you have no need to put multiplication sign, because when bracket comes it is understood that it is multiplication. That means we have to multiply the terms. 1. So nothing is present, it is 1. 1 into 6, 6. Plus into plus. P into p square, it becomes p cube. The next step, plus into minus. 1 into 7, 7. P into p square. Then the third term you have to multiply. Plus into plus. 5 into 1, 5 and 3. Okay. I think you understood this. Then the fourth one, 4p square q square, and the next one is p square minus 4p square q square, and next one is p square minus q square. Again we have to do the same steps and we have to find the product. Just comment with the answer fast. So it becomes 4p square q square into p square minus. So what I have done here? So I wrote the first term as this and second term. For the second term I use the bracket. So plus and plus plus 4 into 1 4 p square into p square p raised to 4, because base term is p here and exponent value is 2, here 2 plus 2 it is gives 4. Then q square remains as it is. Then next plus into minus minus 4 into 1 4 p square, there is no p term here, that's why I will write p square as it is. Then q square into q square, the base term is q, so that's why I will write it q, and the exponent is 2 and 2 plus 2 it gives 4. So this is the answer. Just verify with your answer. And then fifth problem is for your work, that is a plus b plus c into abc, that is for your work. Comment with the answer fast. Okay. And the next one, find the product. Thirdly, the terms are a square into 2a raised to 22 into 4a raised to 26. The terms are a square, 2a raised to 22 and 4a raised to 26. Now again follow the same step and comment with the answer. So what we have to do here, we have to first multiply the sign, after that we have to multiply the constant term, after that we have to multiply the variable. If variables are having same base, then we have to add the exponent value. If the variables are having the same base, then we have to add the exponent value, otherwise we have to directly multiply and we have to write the answer. Now comment with the answer for that. Fast. Plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus. Then 1 into 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 1 into 2, 2 4s are 8. Then a. In the three terms also the base term is same. So therefore I will write a as it is. Then we have to add the exponent value. So exponent 2 plus 2, 2 plus 22, it becomes 24. Because 22 plus 2, it becomes 24. Then 26. We have to add 4 plus 6, 10, 1. 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5. It becomes a raised to 50. Very short answer. Next one. Two by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y. Okay, 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. Again, same step we have to follow. So we have to multiply these two terms along with the sign we have to use. Plus into minus, it becomes minus. Now we have to multiply the constant. First step is over, that is multiplication of sign is over. Now we have to multiply the constant. How to multiply the constant term? So here 2 by 3, here 9 by 10, that is fractions are present. That means we have to first multiply the numerator value, then we have to multiply the denominator value. 2 nines are 18 divided by 3 times are 30. Then next step we have to multiply the variables of same case. X into x square becomes x cube. Y into y square it becomes y cube. So if you want you can simplify this. 2 nines are 8. 2 15s are 30. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So the answer becomes minus 3 by 5 x cube y. Minus 3 by 5 x cube y. Okay. Just look at this step. So what we have to do? First step we have to multiply the sign. Plus into minus, minus. Then next step we have to multiply the constant term. So here the terms are in the form of p by q. So that means first we have to multiply the numerator value. Then we have to multiply the denominator value. 2 nines are 18, 3 tens are 30. Then we have to multiply the variables of same x into x square becomes x cube, y into y square becomes y. Then if you want we can simplify this. Then it becomes 2 nines are 18, then 2 15s are 30, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So that answer becomes minus 3 by 5 into x cube into y cube. The next one. Minus 10 by 3 into p q raised to 3 minus 10 by 3 p into q into 6 by 5 into p cube 6 by 5 p cube. Just follow the same step and comment with the answer for that problem. Follow the same step. First, we will multiply the sign. Minus into plus, minus. Then we will multiply the numerator value. 10 6 are 60 divided 3 5 are 50. Okay. The next we will multiply the variables of series. P into p cube it becomes p raised to 4. Q cube into q it becomes q raised to q raised to. Because 1 plus 3 equals 4, 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then next step 15. So we'll cancel. 15 4 is 60. It becomes minus 4 p raised to 4 q raised to. Just look at that step. So minus 4 p raised to 4 q raised to. The fourth problem, that is x into x square into x cube into x raised to x into x square into x cube into x raised to. Again we have to multiply this. Okay, here in all the four terms base term is x here. There is no difference in sign or there is no constant terms are present, only variables are present and exponent values are present. So that means we will directly write the base as x because only base is x. Then here first term x means it is x raised to 1. And now we will multiply, that is by using the formula, that is a raised to m into a raised to n, that is equals to a raised to m plus n. That means when the base terms are same and when we want to multiply that terms, then what we have to do, we have to write the base term as it is and we have to add the exponent value. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So answer is x raised to 10. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So x raised to 10 is the final answer for that problem. Just verify and comment your answers. The next one, the fourth main, that is simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x equals to 3 and x equals to 1 by 2. So I will write the question, simplify first problem, that is 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the value and find the value at, in the first case, at x equals to 3 and in the second case at x equals to 1 by. The problem is we have to simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find the value for at x equals to 3 and at x equals to 1 by. That means first step we have to multiply the terms. So in that variable is x here and first we have to multiply the sign and then we have to multiply the constant term, then we have to multiply the variable term and we have to find one final expression. After that what we have to do is we have to put the value of x equals to 3 in the first case. Then in the second step we have to put value of x as 1 by 2 in the second step and we have to find out the answer. Very simple one. Just I will solve this. The term is 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. Here 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. First this we have to consider. So that is multiplication of monomial and binomial. First we will multiply the sign. Plus into plus plus 3 4s are 12. X into x it becomes x square. And plus into minus it becomes minus 3 5s are 15 into x. Plus we have to write this 3 as this because it doesn't belong to this multiplication process. That is separate. That is plus 3 is separate. Therefore we will write the plus 3 as this. Okay. 3 4s are 12. X into x, x square, plus into minus, minus, 3 5s are 15 into x, then plus 3 as it is. Now here the terms are unlike terms. So here now the multiplication process got over. Now so here addition and subtraction process came. But here the variables in the first term it is x square, in the second term it is x, in the third term it is not present. So therefore we have to consider these three terms as unlike terms. So therefore we can't add or subtract. Now we have to take this value, that is we have to find out the value of this expression at x equals to 3 and at x equals to 1 by 2. So therefore first I will substitute at or I will consider case 1. Okay, at x equals to, that means wherever x is present I have to substitute at x as that. So therefore it becomes 12 into x, that means 3 square, minus 15 into x means 3 plus 3. So here 12 I wrote as it is into x square, x value is 3, b square, minus 15, x value is 3 plus 3. So it becomes 12 into 3 square is 9. So 3 into 3, that is 9, minus 15 3 how much? 45 plus. Okay, then next. So I think we understood this process. Fast, let's follow the steps. The next one. So next 12 lines are, we have 12 lines how much? It is 108. Then minus 45 plus 3. Minus 45 plus. Now you have to remember one thing. If you want to subtract this, you have to do 108 minus 45. It will give particular answer. After that you have to add plus. Otherwise, if you want to use these two terms, then you have to consider 45 along with the sign you have to consider. So sometimes you will do 108 minus 45 plus 3, it becomes 48. This process is wrong. Okay, you have to consider the term along with the sign. Okay, if you wrote 108 minus as it is 45 plus 3, 48, and after simplification it will give particular answer, that step is absolutely wrong. So what you have to do, you have to, if you want to consider the term, you have to consider the term along with the sign. That means minus 45 plus 3 you have to consider. Then it gives 108. So both terms are having different sign. That means you have to subtract 45 minus 3, it gives 42 along with the sign of highest term. Highest term is having minus sign, therefore it becomes minus 40. Then 108 minus 42. So 8 minus 2 it gives 6. Then 10 minus 4 it gives 6. Okay, therefore answer is 66. Because signs are different, therefore you have to subtract. And sign of highest term is plus. So therefore it becomes plus 66. Let's look at this step. Comment me your answer first. So if you understood this, just click on the like button. Then next step, I'll consider at x equals to 1 by 2. Again same expression. This expression is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now in the second step I will consider at x equals to 1 by 2. At the second case, at x equals to 1 by 2. So wherever x is present I will substitute 1 by 2. So it becomes 12 x, that means 1 by 2 whole square, minus 15 x value is 1 by 2 plus 3. So therefore it becomes 12. So direct don't cancel this term directly. 2 ones are 2 6. That's absolutely wrong because here square term is present. Therefore first we will solve the terms which are inside the bracket. Then we will multiply and divide. So it becomes 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Okay. We have to multiply the numerator. We have to square the numerator as well as we have to square the denominator. 1 square is 1, then 2 square is 4. Minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So 4 ones are 4 3 12. So answer is 3. Then minus 2 ones are 2 7.5. Okay. 7.52 is how much? It is 15. Because 7 2s are 14. 0.5 becomes 1. So 14 plus 1 it becomes 15. That's what is 7.5 plus 3. Then plus 3 becomes plus 6 minus 7.5. So it is minus 1.5. So answer is minus 1.5 because sign of highest term is minus. So 7.5 minus 6 is 1.5. So just look at that answer first. I think you understood this. Yes, 1.5 is the correct answer. Minus 1.5 is the correct answer. We'll continue the remaining in the next class. Thank you.